opened your Amazon Seller Central account and noticed the new changes in the new dashboard. It can feel overwhelming. There are so many menus, tabs, options, and it's hard to know where everything begins. In this video, I'll explain every important section of the Amazon Seller Central dashboard in simple language so you will know where everything is and how it is used. Hello everyone and welcome back to Digital Bytecraft. This is the second video of our free Amazon Account Manager course. In the previous video, we covered that. What is Amazon? What is Seller Central? Some key terms. So today we will take you a complete tour of Amazon Seller Central dashboard. By the end of this video, you will understand the purpose of each menu and you will feel much more confident navigating through the Seller Central dashboard. So let's just start by going over different tabs that we have here. So we have the account health rating here, which is showing healthy. We have the account name here. So let's just, before going into that, this is the tab for the different actions. So this is the new account that we have made to explain. Otherwise you will see here how much orders you have to ship, how much like returns are there, how many customer messages are here to be responded. So firstly, let's move over to the tabs that we have. Products. In product tab, we can perform all these functions like adding a product, managing pricing, analyzing their reviews, doing product research, selling globally, and product reports. Now, adding a product. You would go here. I would not tell you how to add a product because that we are going to cover in a separate video. That's like a detailed version would be there to teach you step by step how to add a product. Now, adding a product means listing your product. For example, if your product is existing, like it is already selling on Amazon, then you just have to add here its ASIN or its title. It will come up and you will search from here. But if you are like submitting an entirely new product, then this is the blank form where you would go and submit that product. If you are going to submit the product through bulk, then this is, the spreadsheet option is here from where you can submit your product in bulk. Just to open you this form, you would see. So here you can add item name and continue to description. So we'll discuss that later. Going back to the product side, next is manage products. While we are managing the product, this is like a space for us where our products would be listed. We can select any product, we can see the listing status, we can see the date created, we can see like the sales in the last 30 days, what's the inventory, what's the price, what's the estimated fees, or any action that we are facing. Now in manage product, we have here manage A+ content. I will explain you in detail what is that. Managing the images, managing the videos, like you can add the product from here, you can do the bulk actions, you can save. You would be seeing issues if there are with the listings, and you would be like and you can also search the product through various options like Amazon or merchant. Like Amazon ones would be the ones that you have already sent to Amazon through FBA, and the merchant ones are the ones that you are going to be selling yourself. Then is managing pricing. So in this menu, you would have your pricing health. You would see the products, their reference pricing, your price plus shipping, your minimum, and automated price status. Like you can apply the pricing rules different. Then we have the option of automate pricing. I will explain you this in our coming videos also. Then we have negotiated pricing, flexible financing. So these sort of information we have here. Amazon Seller Central is like a big ocean. So you have so many options, which I will definitely cover in our each module for each tab. Then you can analyze the reviews. Here we have voice of customer. Here you can see the reviews, recent reviews, see which listings have poor, very poor, fair or excellent reviews. You can always download the data. You can navigate through each and everything here. You can manage the feedbacks. This will show you buyer contact rate, average contact response time, buyer dissatisfaction rate. So these sort of things are very helpful. It will also give you a feedback rating, like in the 30 days how many gave you a positive feedback, how many gave you neutral, negative. then there would be the feedbacks showing. You can always, if you don't agree, you can and if they don't fall under the Amazon policy, you can always request Amazon to strike those out. But also you have to like contact the customer and try to satisfy them. Then this program is a wine program that we will discuss later on. It is a like complete program where you can get the reviews. Now going back to research product, so here you can see different options that are available to you, is in new target store, is in offered by other sellers in the target store. So these are coming here. Then you have different companies. You can see global demand for your product. You can see category insights. You can click here for the sell globally. You just have to do certain KYCs and registration, so it is a separate thing. Now coming over to the supply chain, send to Amazon is basically FBA. You select your SKUs here and you do, this is from where you are going to make shipments, and this is from step by step we will do this, and I'll show you how to do FBA. So this is the tab from where you are going to create a shipment for the FBA. So here you will see the status of your shipments. Manage Amazon inventory is the same, because right now we don't have any inventory, but this is how it looks. Product, inventory, date of supply, then we have sales, actions. This page suggests you whether your current Amazon inventory is like excess or you should like reorder it. So you would see it. Then this is manage stranded inventory. So manage stranded inventory means there are some actions that you have to take and to get that stranded inventory back live. Then we have here the supply chain reports. So in supply chain reports you would see different, you can see different reports here. We will explore those later. Multi-channel fulfillment report, inventory ledger, AWD, inventory ledger, dangerous goods status, restock inventory, standard inventory. Moving over to the order side. So in orders, going into the manage orders, so you will see your orders here. It will also give you a status here whether they are seller fulfilled or fulfilled by Amazon. It will also show you they are of last 3 days or last 7 days, and also show you which orders are to be shipped today and which are unshipped, which are cancelled. So you can search here, and each order will be giving you the details, so you can easily manage that. You can also upload the order files, by the way. You can manage the returns here. Then after orders you can go into the manage returns side. Here you would be seeing all your returns. You have to see whether the returned item has reached you. Then you would process the return from this menu. Basically this will show you which items are being returned on frequent basis. It will give you different insights regarding those. Now claims can be different. Like there are 3 types of claims. First is the chargeback claim. Chargeback is that person is claiming that he has been charged but the order wasn't shipped, so you have to resolve that. Very important is manage A to Z claims. An A to Z claim is a guarantee claim. So in A to Z claim you have to satisfy Amazon why customer is not satisfied. You have to provide your valid argument there, so we will definitely manage these. Then we have manage safety claims. So right now I'm just scrolling through each menu so that you know where everything is, but how to resolve these things and how to work here, I will definitely cover these parts as well. Then we have order reports. So these are the order reports. Here is like FVM orders, which is like fulfilled by merchant orders, then fulfilled by merchant orders unshipped report. You will come here, you will request this report, it will come down. Then you have all orders reports. So all orders reports also include FVM and the FV orders. You can, by applying the filter, you can segregate the two. The marketing side. So marketing side, as I have discussed earlier, that it is a very important. Managing promotions and deals. So here you can create a promotions. Promotions means you can always give like promos. You can give them promo on buy one get one. You can offer them percentage of promos, social media promo codes. So you have like here manage promos, manage deals. Then you can always give them the coupons, manage price discounts, manage virtual bundles. So we will cover these things, but just in this video you just have to have an idea how and where everything is located. Then coming to the ad console. So this is the ad console for the Amazon. So from ad console, you can create your new campaign. You can like advertise them. We have like different types of campaigns, like brand campaigns. Like in brand campaigns, we have video campaigns, banner campaigns, PPC campaigns. So we can definitely into that, and that's a very important aspect of doing the business, because good advertisement leads you to more sales, and better profitability as well leads you to more traffic on the account. So from ad console, moving over to the finance. So here you can manage payments, manage taxes, profit analysis, financial reports. If you go into the manage payment side, you would see here how much total balance is, how much funds are available, then transactional view, statements, disbursements, report repository, seller wallet, seller currency conversion. Then if we go into the account health, so in customer services performance, you have order defect rate here, which covers the negative feedback, A to Z guarantee claims, and chargeback rate. So this order defect rate can not be above 1%, because if it goes above 1%, you will lose your buy box. Now account health rating. Account health rating is basically an overall rating that covers your all these customer service performance, all issues in shipping performance, and then the rating comes out. Now we are having a 200 rating, which is like a healthy rating. But if we go above 250, we can have like account health assurance. So to qualify for the account health assurance, we can I will just quickly take you there. We should have a account health rating of 250 plus in the last 6 months. And also here all issues you would see suspected intellectual property violations and different violations that are here, restricted policy violations. So each of these violations I would go in and explain you, because these are very important. If you face any, how to resolve that. So also regulatory compliance, which is very very important thing. This is like shipping performance. This is like more to do with your operational stuff. Late shipping rate should be under 4%, pre-fulfillment cancel rate should be under 2.5%, tracking rate 95%, and on-time delivery rate should be over 90%. So this is how we have here different menus regarding the account health, which is like customer services performance, product policy compliance, shipping performance, reports, eligibilities, whether you are eligible for Prime or not, voice of customer. So everything is here. Messages that you have received from the customer. So you will go here and you will see how which messages are needing the responses, what you have resolved already, what you have sent, and which are reported unresolved. So you have to be very careful here. Within 24 hours you have to respond to each and every customer support. This is for help. If like you are not getting anything, you can always ask for the help and resources. This is the setting tab where you can like manage the big stuff, account and notifications, user permissions, setting here for the account setting, manage accounts, notification, login settings, return settings. So return settings are definitely very important, where your products are going to be returned. Shipping settings, obviously very important, how and when you are going to ship the product, what would be the expected delivery rate, when you are going to be off. So then we have the FBA settings, manage your apps. Moving over to the reports, here we have like business reports, and we also have different reports like inventory report. In business report, you can always select, you can see when you are how much sales you have got today, yesterday, or any custom date. You can search reports by ASIN, detail page, sales review. So let's just go into this. You can see and download the reports by just selecting all columns. You can always select which columns you want to use and which you don't want to use by going over through, like there are so many types of reports. You would inventory reports. One is the inventory report, then we have active listing report, then we have Amazon fulfilled reports, so category listing reports, active listing reports. By now you should have a solid understanding of where everything is and what each section is used for. In the next video, we will move on to one of the most important skills for every Amazon seller account manager. That is how to create a product listing from scratch. I will explain every step in detail so that even if you are a complete beginner, you would be able to list a product confidently. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel Please support us so that we keep on making such good content for you. Thank you for watching this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.